Empires of the Board, the Orcs Monopoly. Chapter 1, The Discovery. The dense forest of Orcidia loomed before Ragar, its ancient trees casting long shadows over the moss-covered ground. As chieftain of the Bloodfang clan, he had spent years exploring these untamed lands, searching for artifacts and treasures that could grant him power and glory. Today, fate had something extraordinary in store for him. Ragar's keen eyes caught a glimmer of light amidst the foliage. Curiosity stirred within him as he pushed his way through the underbrush, drawn toward the mysterious source. After what seemed like an eternity of trudging through thorny branches and dodging gnarled roots, he stumbled upon a hidden chamber nestled within the ruins of an ancient Orcish stronghold. In the heart of the chamber lay a beautifully crafted wooden box, intricately adorned with symbols unfamiliar to Ragar. Intrigued, he reached out and brushed away a thick layer of dust, revealing the word Monopoly etched into its lid. The name meant nothing to him, but an unexplainable energy emanated from the box, beckoning him to explore further. Ragar pried open the lid, revealing a remarkable sight. Inside the box was a Monopoly board unlike anything he had ever seen. The properties depicted on the board were not mere illustrations, but intricate miniature replicas of actual Orcish territories. It was as if the board had a connection to the real world, intertwining with their lives. Unbeknownst to Ragar, the board was enchanted by ancient Orcish magic, a relic from a forgotten era. The game was once played by their ancestors, believed to possess the power to shape destinies and determine the fate of Orcish clans. Compelled by an unknown force, Ragar reached out and rolled the dice. As the dice clattered across the board, a surge of energy enveloped him, transporting him into a realm beyond his wildest imagination.